Dito lang in class. Paracetamol is medicine, medicine, medicine. Paracetamol is medicine. Tempra, tempra, tempra is for fever. Did you get it, class?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, kayo naman. 1, 2, 3, start. Paracetamol is medicine, medicine, medicine. Paracetamol is medicine. Tempra, tempra, tempra is for fever. Okay, thank you, class. We now have your seat. Okay, sino ba ang movement sa ating klase ngayon? Just look at to the left, look at to your right. Okay, who is absent?
Teacher, si Verso.
So, sino absent?
Si Jersa po.
Okay, at dito naman.
Double teacher.
Okay, si Gabon at si Jersa yung absent ngayon. Ngayon ay ipapakilala ko sa inyo ang ating classroom rules. Okay, pakibasa mga bata ang una.
Say please and thank you.
Okay, kapag kayo ay magpapatulong sa inyong mga classmates ay kailangan nyo sabihin ang
Please.
at kung kayo naman ay tulungan, kailangan nyo sabihin ang
Thank you.
very good. Sa ikalawa naman ay
Make friends and be kind.
okay, just kind to your classmates and also to your friends. And then number 3 is
Always give your best.
we always give your best because later we will have an activity and all you need to do is to give your best to answer. And the fourth one is
Raise your hands to speak.
okay, if you have questions or you have clarifications, just raise your right hand. Where is your right hand? Okay. And the last is
Think
think
before you act.
before you act. Ngayon ay magbabalik-aral tayo. What was our last discussion yesterday? Yes, Lisa?
Our lesson yesterday was all about the uses of medicine.
Okay, thank you, Tessa. Our topic yesterday was all about the uses of the medicine. What are the 3 uses of medicine? Yes? What are?
First teacher kind fever.
Okay, fever. Fever to the children or to the elders. And the second one is pain.
Please,
Okay, it is the symptoms. And the last uses of medicine is, yes, what's the answer? Tessa, okay, you stand. Okay, the last uses of medicine is to
reduce
reduce the pain. And now, we have an activity. Are you excited, class?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. This activity is called 4 pigs, 1 word. What activity is this?
4 pigs, 1 word.
All you need to do is to guess those words that I have presented. Okay. Okay. What picture is this? What did you observe? Yes, sir.
discussed by the next teacher, but now we will discuss the over-the-counter medicines. First, let us know what is over-the-counter medicines or OTC medicines. Over-the-counter medicines or OTC medicines are drugs that we can buy without doctor's prescription. Okay, what is over-the-counter medicines? Okay. This medicine, we can buy this in drugstores or in stores without the prescription of doctors. Okay? Yes, amoxicillin or painkillers. Paracetamol or if you have fever. Okay? That is the examples of over-the-counter medicines or OTC medicines. Okay, are you experiencing sickness? Okay, what medicines did you take? Okay, paracetamol. But paracetamol can be taken with your parents' guidance. Okay? Okay. Now, let us know the examples of over-the-counter medicines. There are examples of over-the-counter medicines that we can buy without a doctor's prescription. Okay? Just remember class. The first one is antacid. Okay, antacid is a medication that neutralizes stomach acid. Okay, if you are acidic, you can take the antacid medicine to neutralize or to relieve the acid in your stomach. Okay, and also this antacid medicine can be a liquid. It can be a liquid that you can drink to relieve your pain. It can be chewable gummy. You can chew that medicine or in tablet that can be dissolved through drinking water. Okay? Just remember the first example is what again? Antacid can neutralize acid. Okay? It can come from liquid, chewable, or tablets that can be dissolved through water. Okay, now do you want to see what is antacid look like? Okay, there it is, antacid medicine. And what I said a while ago, it can be a liquid, chewable, or tablet. And this is a tablet. Okay, a tablet example that can be dissolved in drinking water. Okay, familiarize what does antacid look like. Okay, this is the antacid. Again, let's move on to the next one. The analgesic. What is analgesic? Analgesic is also an example of over-the-counter medicine. And what is analgesic? It was also called a painkiller or pain reliever. If you have injury or you feel pain, you can take this analgesic to relieve that pain or to kill that pain. Okay. But remember also that the guidance of your parents is very important in taking this kind of medicine. Do you want to see what an analgesic look like? Okay. I will grab this in this box, and the example of analgesic is okay. The brand name of this analgesic is Tylenol. Okay. Analgesic is the general name, and this is the specific brand, generic brand. Okay. This is example of analgesic that can be, and it can be also called Okay? This substance that loosens or softens too and increases bowel movements. Okay? Do you want to see what laxative look like?
Yes, teacher.
Okay? This is the laxative. Yes.
But teacher, kahit mo na.
Yes, but it is very helpful for you.
Ay, pa.
Okay? For you all.
Mula sa kapito sa akin.
Yes. But hindi na natin worm na siya na nag-stay sa inyong stomach. Okay? Na kailangan siya i-remove kay maka-bring siya o disease sa inyong okay? Then you need to drink what medicine or what over-the-counter medicine that you can buy to laxative. Okay, but just remember, always remember that the guidance of your parents is needed. Okay? Even there is no prescription of doctors, but the intake of this medicine is needed with the guidance of your parents. Okay, let's move on to the fourth one and the last one example of over-the-counter again. OTC for sure. Okay, this is a medicine that you can buy without the prescription of doctors. Okay. The last one is,
Antibiotic.
sorry, and then this one, the antibiotic, okay, is a medication used to lower body temperature or reduce fever. So are you familiar with this? This one? It can be a paracetamol. Okay? This can help to lower your body temperature and lower your fever. Okay? Do you want to see what this one look like? Okay. This one, paracetamol, is the very common name of medicine. Paracetamol. Do you take this one even if it is bitter? Even if it is bitter, you need to take this to reduce your fever and to lower your temperature. Okay, do you have any question about over-the-counter medicine or OTC medicine? Okay, the over-the-counter medicine is the first type of a medicine. The over-the-counter medicine, without a prescription of doctors, you can still buy this in the store or pharmacy. Okay? Is there any questions? Okay, teacher, so now we'll discuss about the prescription medicine. Thank you, class.
Hello, Bata!
Hi, teacher.
By the way, again, my name is Teacher Joshua Soria, and I will continue the discussion of Teacher Dennis. Now, let us proceed to the prescription. Do you have any idea what is prescription? Anyone from my class? Again, remember our classroom rules. If you want to answer, just raise your right hand. Yes, Steve?
Permission?
Very good. You have a point. Let's give a hand for him. Very good. When we say prescription, it is a medicine that needs authorization from the doctor. Or, when we say prescription, ito yung mga gamot na mabibili lang natin kapag merong reseta ng doktor. Ngayon, meron ako ipapakita sa inyo na apat na mga litrato o halimbawa ng prescription ng mga gamot. Una, meron tayo first, we have the antibiotic. Wait, everybody please read.
It's a drug that needs prescription. It kills and fights bacteria and other infections.
Very good. Well, antibiotic is one of the examples of prescription medicine. Means that the antibiotic is kinakailangan siya ng reseta ng
Doktor!
tama. the medicine that we can use to whenever we have the infections. Like for example, nakagat ka ng aso, you need to take this antibiotic to remove or to fight against the bacteria or infections. Now, I have here an example of antibiotic. This one, do you see this?
Yes,
Yes, very good. This medicine is an example of antibiotic or prescription medicine. Did you understand?
Yes, teacher.
Next, we have topical antibiotic. Topical antibiotic, which is applied to the skin. It may be an ointment, maybe lotion or cream. Also, this is an example of prescription medicine in which we use it whenever we have rashes. For example, rashes. No, we apply this type of we apply topical antibiotic to remove those rashes. I have here an example of topical antibiotic. This one. This is an example of topical antibiotic. Do you see this class?
Wala pa nagkaroon namin.
Oh, very good. Now you see this. This is an example of ointment or a part of a topical antibiotic. Do you understand? Dili siya pwede tumarangin because this medicine is an ointment. Okay? You use it kana pinapahid mo lang ito sa iyong katawan or doon sa mga rashes mo. Okay?
Yes, teacher.
Very good. The next one we have antidepressant. This is also a drug that needs prescription. It helps relieve the symptoms of sadness or depression. This antidepressant is used to you take this whenever you are tired or you are depressed, no? Sa dami ng problema mo. Like for example, kapag meron ka kapag na-feel mo na depressed ka, you need to take this antidepressant medicine, no? In order for you para ma-relieve ang depression mo mind or sa iyong lawas. This is an example of antidepressant medicine. This one. Do you see this?
Wala pa
Yes. So now, this is an example of antidepressant medicine. This is also need a prescription of doctor. Very good. The last one we have anti-hypertensive. Hypertensive. Drug affects a high blood or pressure. This is an example also of prescription medicine. Kinakailangan siya na reseta ng doktor. Dahil itong anti-hypertensive is a drug that used when someone is have a high blood. Okay? This medicine, tinitake siya para hindi ka kapag nag-high blood ka is ma-relax yung lower yung blood mo. Okay? Understood?
Yes, teacher.
This is an example of anti-hypertensive. Okay? Do you see this class? This is an example of antihypertensive medicine. Okay? We understand?
Yes, teacher.
Very good. Now, the discussion will be continued by the next teacher, Mr. Christian Malakito.
Hi class, good morning. Now, I believe you really understand our topic. Now, let's have an activity. Are you excited?
Yes,
If
teacher.
you're excited, give me 3 claps. Now, the group 1 is role playing, present a scenario in which characters for example, over-the-counter and prescription medicine. From Kim to Rika is the group 1 and Tessa and Dorian is the group 2. So group 1 is role playing. Now, the group 2 is musical. Compose and sing a short song about the over-the-counter and prescription medicine. Are you excited? Are you understand? Now, I'm going to read the criteria or the rubrics. First is the mastery.
have 4 minutes and 2 minutes to present. Now, go to your group. Are you done?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, if you are done, please present group 1 in front.
Good morning, everybody. We're going to present about role play, description, and over-the-counter medicine. The situation is we legal will buy medicine to the pharmacy.
Ayo.
Thank you.
Palit ko kang sir.
Saan na nakakarating mo ito?
Palit ko bibili paracetamol, teacher. Paracetamol.
Okay, sige. Sige lang po yung problema na. Wala ko na try.
Jarang bayad. Ayo.
Mas.
Palit ko ang sisilin.
Ibaya siya prescription na isulat para sa doktor.
Naang sir di ara. Duha. Jarang bayad.
Okay, group 2, group 5, 3 class. Now, group 2 will present.
Good morning, everyone. So we are going to go and we will sing. Okay. 1, 2, 3, go. Kailangan ng gamot, mag-iiyak, magtanong. Oh, my right hand, ano? My right hand, ano? That's what I do.
Okay, group 1, please give group 2 3 claps. Now, the score of group 1 is 30 points, and the score of group 2 is 20 points. Now, let's continue the discussion with teacher Johari.
Hey, my teacher.
Okay, hello.
Hey, now that I observe that you already learned our discussion and nag-listen to my teacher, no? We are going to have a question and answer. Are you ready, class? Yes, teacher. I hear you. Yes, teacher. Now I will hear your names in the routine, and then I have some questions. I will draw your names in order to answer. Okay. Now, first answer. What was our lesson for today? Okay, Kim, can you please stand?
It's over-the-counter and prescription medicine.
Very good, Kim. Let's give Kim a big clap. 1, 2, 3. Okay, what is prescription medicine? Rika. Yes, Rika. Teacher, prescription which is the teacher. Mana siya ang tambal na pwede kang palit kung nakikagtugot ganyan sa lower teacher. Very good. Let's give Rika a big clap. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now last question. What is the importance of medicine? Okay. Yes, Lorelai?
The importance of medicine teacher is makahelp ka teacher, nakakay sakit teacher, and then also teacher pag gusto niyo kita kay iba teacher, maganda lang sa store teacher or pharmacy para